Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jas Nicole and I'm here with another natural hair video. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all how I do mini twists on stretched hair. So normally I do mini twists on my hair when it's wet, and I've done mini braids on my hair when it was stretched, but I've never done mini twists, so I'm really excited to do this. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel. The button is right down below, and click the push notification button so you can see when I upload my next video. Fall weather is here and I'm so excited about that, but one of the things about the cooler weather is that I have to make sure that my hair stays moisturized, and I don't like putting my hand in my hair too much, so I decided that it'd be a good idea to go ahead and put a protective style in my hair. So in this video I'm going to be using the Afro Sheen Crown Defining Curl Cream. I'm also going to be using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Edge Control. I already added a leave-in conditioner when I did a blowout on my hair, so I'm not going to add another leave-in conditioner. Plus it's also going to like revert my hair, and I want to get more length with these mini twists, and so I am just going to use the cream and the edge control. So I went ahead and took my hair out of the French twist, which this is a look right here, in all honesty. Like, hopefully y'all know by now how much I love parting my hair into 4 sections. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and get ready to start these mini twists. Now I want to go ahead and use my wide tooth comb and just do a little quick detangle. Now I'm going to use my rat tail comb and make a part to go ahead and get my hair ready for these twists. So now I have this section of hair, and I'm just going to use my Denman brush to brush through it to make sure all the tangles are out. And now I'm going to use the Afro Sheen Curl Cream. Not too much, but just going to, might need a little bit more. And just rub it on my hair. And then I'm going to use the edge control so I can get my edges nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna start to twist. As I get towards the end, I'm just going to take some more of the curl cream and just a little dab of it, and then just twirl the ends of my hair around. And there is my first twist. Yep, very small, and I'm going to be sitting here for a while. But it's okay, because it's going to be in for a good minute anyway. I'm only 3 twists in and my fingers are already starting to cramp up. This don't make no sense. Absolutely no sense. Okay y'all, so I want to say halfway because the back half of my hair is done, but this is a lot in the front, but the back is done. Can y'all see? You know, looking cute, looking good. So I am going to take a break and make some dinner, and then I'm gonna get back to it. Okay y'all, so I got this like little section of hair left, but we all know what that means, that I gotta smooth probably like 30 more minutes. This little section could probably be about 12 twists. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. Alright y'all, I'm done. I love the way these came out. Y'all, this Afro Sheen, like cream, A1, A1. Like the blowout spray was amazing. Now this cream is amazing. It's a great, great line. So I'm probably going to keep these in for about probably 2 weeks or so, just to give my hair a break. So realistically, it took me almost like 4-ish hours because I stopped to eat and I was dilly-dallying and on TikTok. So it took me a lot longer, but usually it takes about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite protective style is for the colder months. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Thanks for watching y'all. Until next time, bye.